This is going to show you how to minimize your Zoom so you can do other things but not have to leave the meeting. So first, up here in the corner of your little Zoom, you have this button, Speaker View. If you click that, it makes one person who's talking big and the other people small. Then you can switch back to Gallery View. Over here is Settings. So if your video or your microphone isn't working, you might have to go here, but don't worry about that. So I'm just going to close the X. And then we've got those 4 arrows that make the screen really big. So if your Zoom looks like this and you can't see anything else, see how if I stop moving my mouse, that stuff in the corner disappears? You just need to move your mouse again and then it comes back up. And you can go all the way here and click Exit. So now I can see around my Zoom, my Chrome browser. But I want to make my Zoom even smaller. So I'm just going to click on this line. See how there's a line, there's a square, and there's an X. If you click on the line, watch what happens. Whoop, it goes down. It's like it got sucked down into this little ball down here. So now, if you want to get it back, you just click on the ball. So that is a really easy way to make your Zoom go away. And then you can go do stuff like you could play ST Math, you can go to Freckle, you could go back to Schoology, and you'll be able to still hear things that are going on in the Zoom, and the person in the Zoom can still hear you. You just made this window go away. So once again, you can do that by clicking this line or by going down to the bottom and clicking the ball. And it doesn't mean you left the meeting's still running. So during specials, or if you have to use your camera on another meeting, you can't have your camera on 2 meetings at once. So when you need to really leave the meeting, go over here to the corner, click, and click.